and they feature a double locking system. And it takes quite a bit of force to put it down. That means you want to use your foot, but you can use your thumb. Right? That's lock, and that's release. Once it's locked, it's not going anywhere. Right? Some of them swivel and some of them don't. Well, these ones all swivel. Okay? But they come with various mount plates. Okay? As you can see here, this one's meant to be mounted with 4 bolts or lag bolts, which is suitable for things made out of, say, 2x4s. And this one's meant to have a through bolt from the top down to the bottom with the nut down here, or opposite. This one comes with a pre-attached through bolt, so all you have to do is drill your hole and lock it down, and you're ready to go. I use these things all over my shop, and I'm going to show you a few examples of how they help me out. Well, here I've got a scrap bin that's behind the table saw, and I use those kind of caster wheels. And when the bin's full, I can pull it out like this, wheel it over to where the dump truck is waiting, and throw everything in. Over here, I remember moving this thing down 3 flights of stairs out of an old greasy kitchen, and I decided at that point that I would put it on caster wheels. And now this big heavy freezer is easily maneuverable. Just don't put it on the 2nd floor. Okay, this I just made as a temporary delivery vehicle for this cradle I made. It was awkward to move around. I used those kind of wheels on this platform. Put my thing on top and just wheel it in. Okay, now this was a stationary work center, and I found it getting in my way sometimes. So I put it up on caster wheels, and it's stationary, but I can also move it. As you can see, it helps if you have a guy to help you because it's heavy. It's got a planer and a radial arm saw on it. But I can literally maneuver it around the way I want because it's on casters. Okay, the last couple of points I'll make about these wheels is they're extremely durable. This is polyurethane, pretty tough material, and you can tell that they spin with precision on bearings, and they also swivel with precision on bearings, including a dust cap. Keep them working for years. I like the wheel.